One day, a son came to his father for an advice. Dad, I can't do this anymore. He said, those lessons only exhaust me and the result doesn't change. It must be not distant for me to play football and my dream will never come true. The father looked at his son with loving eyes and said, you know, son, every person in life has a dream, a goal of his life. They are the ones that make us do what we are doing because it's what we should do. We have to fight for what we believe in, what we feel. In other case, you will simply break once and for all. Gradually, life becomes a routine without depth and meaning. Then one day we try to forget and start everything from the beginning. We wait for a new day to make our life different, but new obstacles come in our path and we stop again. We become full of despair and anger of our own helplessness. But you only need to remember one thing: never give up. Fight, battle. It does not matter that you have lost one battle and even dozens of battles. Life goes on. Your biggest enemies are hiding in you: laziness, fear, doubt, indecision. Be a warrior of your dream, a knight of your goal, and a soldier of your wishes. The easiest way is to quit everything and not go until the end, because the path is difficult and we are not used to inconveniences. We want everything to be easy and at once, but the wishes are fleeting. This is how our dreams dies and the goal becomes unreachable.